Welcome everyone. In this section, we will see the coding rules in COBOL program. You can see that here column 1 to column 6 is called as sequence number area. This is reserved for sequence number. Sequence number is used to label a source statement line. Okay, you can see here it is 100, then 200, then 300, 400 and so on. The next one we have is column 7. This particular column 7 is used as indicator area. It is used for comments, continuation, and if we want to use this particular program in debugging mode, we can give an alphabet called D here and we have to execute this program in debugging mode. So column 7 is used for comments or continuation or for D for debugging mode. Then we have area A. Area A starts from column 8 to 11. This area A is the area where divisions, sections, paragraph, or if you have a level, which we will cover later on once we go further in the course, is defined. Even if we are using declaratives and indeclaratives, we have to define here. If you are using a particular paragraph and we are ending the paragraph, then that end of that paragraph has to be coded in area A. Okay, so start of the paragraph and end of the paragraph, start of a section, end of a section, division, section has to be coded in area A. We will see these in detail as we go further. Now you can see that from column 12, that is here, to column 72. Okay, this is called as area B. This contains any statement, sentences, clause, characters, words and so on. In actual COBOL program, whatever columns we have after 72, that is 73 to column 80, are used for program identification, that is 73 to 80. So if you see here, this is a COBOL program, right? So this particular column 1 to column 6, that is this particular area, this is for sequence number. Then this particular 7th column is used for continuation or for D for debugging mode, or it is used for comments, right? So you can see that all the comments starts with asterisk. Here you can see that this is comment. Okay, simple hello world program. So this is a comment. Okay, this is also comment because a star or asterisk is present in column number 7. Now in place of asterisk, we can also have D, which denotes debugging mode. We will see that also once we move forward in this particular course. The next one we have is from column 8, okay, from this particular column to 11. This particular area is called area A. Here we have to define any division or section or paragraph, and here you can see that division is started. For example, in this case, identification division. This is one division in COBOL, so this starts in area A. Here we can note that it's not important to code identification division at exactly 8th column. You can code this anywhere between 8 to 11. Okay, similarly, if you see, you have this section that is working storage section. This also starts between column 8 to 11, right? So any division, sections, paragraph, or if you have a 0-1 level, has to be coded between column 8 and column 11, right? So this is area A. Now we have area B, that is from column 12 to 72. So everything between this 12th column and 72nd column, it is called as area B. For example, statements, sentences, clauses, everything has to be listed in area B. Now if I just go towards right, you can see that here I have column 73 to 80. This was used for program identification. Okay, this was originally designed for entering the program identification on each individual line of code. So here you can see that 10,000 is assigned for line 1, right? Then 20,000 is assigned for line 2. So the idea for using this program identification was to identify a particular line of code using this program identification number, but it is not that much in use now. So these are the major areas in COBOL program. So just to summarize everything, the first 6 characters are reserved for sequence number, 7th character is reserved for continuation character or an asterisk for comment, or for D which is used for debugging. Actual program starts from column 8. Area A is between column 8 to column 11. Area B is between column 12 to column 72. Then we discussed that all division names, section names, paragraph, 0 and level has to be coded in area A. All other statements, sentences, clauses must start in area B. From 73 to 80, these are system generated program identification number, which was used to identify a particular line of code. But in current world, this program identification is not that much in use. This marks the end of this section on coding rules in COBOL. In the next section, we will see all the 4 major divisions in detail.